Oh my goodness, Nimsi, lots of cats. How many cats here? Can you count? Can you count how many cats here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cuties.
Which one you want to take home? Which one you want to take home?
Oh my god. Oh, yay! It's so cute.
Okay.
Oh, plus.
So what is the name of this cat? Start giving name. See how many cats here.
Oh, crap. I'm sorry.
Ah, see there is lots of cats.
Oh, how many cats? This one time I take care of the shit.
Should give. What is the name of this cat?
The name is Furry.
Fairy. Okay, what is the other one?
How many meow meow catties are
Ah.
there?
Nimshi,